When your cigarette tastes dull, come to this one. And suddenly you're smoking cool.
Suddenly, the taste of your cigarette is fresher than you used to get. Reach for the clean white pack, and suddenly you're smoking cool.
The cool combination of white filter, rich tobaccos, and extra coolness makes for a taste that's fresher and cooler than anything you've ever smoked. Once you smoke cool, you may very well make it your steady brand.
Reach for the clean white pack, and suddenly you're smoking cool.
Cool Filter Kings.